So my ingredients. Now I want to make seafood boil. So I have my butter, cooking butter, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, tandoori, barbecue spice, corn, curry thyme, oil, lemon, potato, onion, garlic, peppersoup spice, salt, knorr, pepper mix, chili mix, bell pepper, crab claws, crab, lobster, tiger prawns. So first things first, you can see that I'm trying to clean the corn. You peel it and you clean it and you wash it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the corn and set it to boil. Here we're boiling the corn. You add your curry, your thyme, your pepper soup spice, your stock, your salt. You're going to add everything. Then set the corn to boil. So now we're trying to clean the crab. You see the way I clean it gently, gracefully. I scrub it. Okay, you can see the way that I'm cleaning the crab. I want to show you again. Not so fast. Gently, you can see the way I peel the back. Remove the back. I'm actually saving the back for later. I'm still going to add it in the meal just for the look. It's gonna come out nice. See the way you wash everything out. You wash the gills, everything thoroughly. You remove everything. This is a female, so I remove the eggs. So now we're going to work with the tiger prawn. You can see the way I'm cleaning it. Make sure you remove the veins. Some people don't, but I do because it's gross. So we remove the vein. You do it gently. You can see the way I'm cleaning the tiger prawn. It's quite easy. So you wash the potato. Wash it clean because we're going to boil it with the back. So we're going to chop it after washing. And we're going to put it into the pot with the corn. So this is, I forgot to show you how I wash the lobster. So you crack the head open, you remove everything, make sure the lobster remains the flesh, which is nice and clean at the top. Then you crack the back open, you crack it open so we can get the veins out. This is how you wash the lobster. So the corn and the potato, oh my god, the aroma is heavenly. Because of the pepper soup spice and all the other ingredients inside. It's really nice. So I'm going to be blending a bit of some tomatoes, pepper and onion. I love them. We're going to use them for the sauce, for the final sauce. Yeah. Aside from the pepper we'll use for cooking and boiling our sea stuff. This one I'm just going to like use it to decorate the dish. I'll just pour it around. The pepper, or just pour it on it, and one can actually eat them while eating our delicious seafood boil. So here we just fry the butter with onion first of all. So here we're just going to fry the hot dog. You can see the sausage, we fried it. Then after we're going to add our blended pepper. We're going to use the same fried butter for the sauce. The first boil. Now we're going to add our soy sauce to the mix and our barbecue sauce. After the barbecue sauce, we're going to add our barbecue spice, tandoori. I'm just going to add it to the mix, as you can see. This brings a lovely taste and smell. You can see I've added the peppersoup spice. Oh my god, the aroma is something else. I added some dry pepper as well, and some stock and salt. So after adding the salt, you stir, then you add some water that is enough for the stock, for the seafood stock. Then you let it boil. So you start by adding the crab claws, add the lobster because they take much more time than the tiger prawns. I'm going to leave the tiger prawns now and just add just the crab for some minutes. So now we're going to add the tiger prawn, and also we're going to add the corn and potato and let it sit in the boil for like probably 5 minutes or less because everything is soft and ready. So this is what our pot looks like. So while no jokes, the aroma is divine. This is what our pot looks like. So while this is boiling, we'll make our sauce. So while this is going on, we added the ground oil first of all before the butter. Then we added the onion and also our garlic. You can see we're not adding the blended mix, tomatoes and pepper. So while it's cooking, we're going to add our soy sauce. After our soy sauce, we're going to add a barbecue sauce. We're also going to still add the barbecue spice, for the taste. We're also going to add our peppersoup spice for a nice. So while the sauce is cooking, we're going to drain the boil. We're going to drain it of all the water and ingredients. It has steamed nicely. All the ingredients are settled in the seafood. As you can see, the sauce is boiling nicely. We're going to add our bell pepper. We're going to add our stock. While it simmers nicely, we're going to add our chili. I love chili. If you don't like chili, you can cut this part out, but this beautifies it as well. It makes it look really beautiful. So now we're going to add our pepper soup spice as well, our secret recipe. So we're going to add our salt for taste. I'm so sorry, I actually removed some of the sauce and kept aside for dipping. Then you're going to add the seafood and everything, mix it together, shake everything so it blends in. Oh my god, this looks lovely. I wish I could give this to you guys live. So this is our final result. That's the sauce I kept for the dipping. This is our final result. It looks so amazing. It smells divine. Like, oh my god, my mouth is watery. I can't wait to eat this like right now. This is our final result. Oh, and before we forget, I have to sprinkle the whole food with lemon, which gives it another divine taste. Sprinkle everything with the lemon juice. Oh my god, amazing. Here you go, guys. I had to use the soundtrack. This is how we serve it. Serving it with rice actually. So please like, subscribe and share. Here you go, Lady I.C.E food boil. I'll write down the recipes. Guys, thanks for watching. Love you.